I'm Robert, and welcome to Manhattan Wood Project. Really excited about this season because I've got a lot of new projects in mind, and I'm in a new city, we have a new shop, I have some new toys. It's going to be an excellent season. I'm looking forward to a lot of woodworking. Now, the bad part about moving was I ended up moving a lot of wood from my previous shop up to where we are now, and I've acquired more wood since then. So I don't really know which project I'm going to do first. So for this first episode, I'm going to have you choose a project I do. We're going to do kind of a make your own adventure type video here. Without any further ado, let's get past the title sequence and get going.
What should I make today? Manhattan Wood Project. That looks great!
Welcome to the wood hole of my shop. You can see I've got a lot of different kinds of wood here, not only species but just different looks. There's a big variety of wood to make projects from. What I want you to do to help me make this project is go into the video description below on YouTube and click on what kind of wood you want me to use for the project. It's right down there. You can go click now. Why haven't you clicked yet? Don't you want to do a project? Go down there.